taken, just be. Don't take it.
Hey y'all, my name is Destiny and welcome to my channel, and welcome back if you're already subscribed. So today I'll be doing a 2-month update of this ALIPEARL 5x5 body wave wig, and it was a closure, so let's get into it. But first I want to say this wig is not the ALIPEARL wig. This is the ALIPEARL wig, but I just did a video for another wig, so I didn't see the point of taking this wig off. But if you like the details on this wig, it'll be in the cards because I just did a review. So the details on this ALIPEARL 5x5 closure wig, I did do a review on it, so make sure y'all go, not a review, I did an install on it, so make sure y'all go check that out. But my details are, I got 16-inch 180 density transparent lace, and it was $153. So I ordered it August 9th, it shipped August 15th, and it delivered August 19th. And I'm giving those details because I always get questions on, oh my god, how long did it take to get there, or like when did they give you your shipping number, your tracking stuff, all that stuff. So those are the details. So pros and cons of this body wave wig. I guess I can say a pro first. My favorite thing about this wig is that it is a closure, so I don't know, like I didn't realize how great closure wigs was, and like honestly after I got this wig I started buying other closure wigs. Hold up. After I got this wig I started buying other closure wigs because literally all you have to do is glue this front part right here and you're done. Like you don't have to worry about the ends and the flaps and the blow drying. Like you literally just glue and put it right on there. Like I really do love the fact that this wig is a closure wig. So speaking of cons for the wig, I don't like how much I had to do for the lace to start looking a little natural. Hold up. Now this is the lace. I did pluck and bleach the knots, but I had to bleach the knots twice because they wouldn't bleach the first time I did them, and then I had to put lace tint on it in order for it to really look brown. And so I feel like because it's a closure wig, it is beginner friendly, but then again at the same time, like if you somebody who don't know how to bleach your lace and pluck your knots, like maybe this wig isn't for you, because I did have to bleach twice, use lace tint, and I rarely plucked it. I low-key just like, since this wig was just so simple, I just had to pluck like the hairline part. I didn't too much pluck the part because I don't know, it looked real natural to me. And it says that it comes pre-plucked, but y'all know these wigs don't really be pre-plucked. So yeah, that's the con to the wig. It's not really that beginner friendly if you're somebody who's looking for a wig that's like, oh my god, this might be perfect for me. I already don't know how to do wigs, so I'm gonna start off with this one. Like, no, you might not want to start off with this one. So the next pro I have to talk about, I'm doing pro con. The next pro I have to talk about is, I do like the quality of the hair. When I curl it, it has a nice curl. I'll insert some pictures. I don't know, I like when I curl it. Like it gives me like a natural, like, I don't know, I like the way this wig fall when it curl. It kind of gives me, like, I can wear this wig to an interview if I wanted to. Like it's cute, it's real flirty, but it's professional. Like this is a multi-purpose wig. I don't know about y'all, but I've been following orders and I've been in quarantine. I haven't been out turning up, so I'm not sure how the curls hold like long term outside because I've been in the house, okay? I'm not trying to catch the Rona, so I don't have any updates on if the hair holds curls or all that jazz, but I do like the way that it curls. The hair got good quality. So speaking of the length of the hair, I'm gonna talk about my next con of the wig. Now when I got this wig, I was like, what inch did I order again? Because it looks really short to me. I ordered a 16-inch, and this is kind of how long it is. You can't really see how long it is right now. I will say that it don't look like a 16-inch to me. It definitely looked like a 14-inch, but I don't know. I don't feel like this is a 16-inch, and that's a con for me because if I paid for a 16-inch, then I definitely want a 16-inch. So that's a con, but I ain't gonna talk about that too much because it ain't something that kind of irritated me with the wig. It just was like, wow, like this definitely don't look like a 16-inch. So I don't know, if you care about that stuff, then there you go. Another pro for the wig is it came very fast. Now literally when you order from AliExpress, your wigs ship super fast anyway, but I didn't order this from AliExpress. I ordered it from the official ALIPEARL.com website, or ALIPEARL hair. I don't know their website name, but I ordered it from the official site. So it came really fast. Like I said in the beginning, I think I ordered it August 9th and it got here August 19th or something. I don't know. I like how fast it shipped, because a lot of companies, when you order from AliExpress, like, yeah, it comes really fast, but when you order it from the official site, it takes like almost 2 weeks for them to send you your shipping number, and then 2 more weeks for it to get delivered. Like, I hate when companies do that. So shout out to them for getting me my wig on time. Because so in transition, let's talk about another con. I don't know how I feel about this con. Like, I said a little bit about it when I did my install. Like I said, if you want to go watch the install video, that'll be up in the cards, sweetheart. But when I was installing it, I don't know, I kind of felt some type of way about how much I paid for the wig. Like, and I'll say it again, like, I feel like if I was to go to another company and get a closure wig, a 16-inch closure wig, I wouldn't have paid $150 for it. Like, I definitely wouldn't have paid $150 for it. And I wouldn't say that's a lot for a wig, because it's still a reasonable price. But I got that on sale. So the regular price for the wig, I don't even know how much that is. It's probably way over $150. I don't know. But a lot of their wigs on their website, they range, like, they go high, and I'm just like, it's kind of not that worth it. Like, the quality of the hair is good. Didn't like the lace, but overall, like, I feel like paying over $150 for a closure 16-inch wig is not a good price. I've been wearing weave in my hair for a long time. Been wearing wigs, and usually I would never do that, but I only bought this wig for YouTube purposes. Like, I only bought this wig to do a video in it and talk about it. Like, $150 can get me a 22 whatever from another company. So I don't know, I felt some type of way about the price. I'm not gonna lie, it's not super expensive, but if you somebody who like longer inches, like, you gonna be paying somewhere of $200 for a closure wig, which I don't think is the right price. And once again, going back to beginners and you feel like, oh, maybe I should get this wig, you can find a closure wig for cheaper, especially if you're a beginner and you don't know how to do certain stuff, just in case you over bleach your knots or you over pluck your lace. Like, don't pay $150 for a closure wig. I know wigs are an investment, but it's cheaper closure wigs on AliExpress and on YouTube. Just do your research. Like, honestly, just do your research. But I think that's all the pros and the cons that I had. Will I buy from ALIPEARL again? I honestly don't know, because they are a little bit overpriced in terms of what's on their website I can get for cheaper from another company like Beauty Forever, Nadula, y'all know, Icy. Like, it's other companies that have the same exact hair. Like, so don't feel like, oh, they probably the best because maybe they get a lot of views on YouTube and a lot of people review their hair. These people are sent these wigs. They're not just going out and buying them with their own money. So keep that in mind. Out of 10, I would rate this wig in particular, I don't know, I probably would rate it a 7 or 8. I really like the fact that it's a closure. That's really like selling me on it. But then again, I can get a closure from anywhere, so I don't know. I really like that it's a closure. I like the quality of the hair. I don't like the price. I don't like the lace. It's kind of like win-win, lose-lose with this wig. So if you want the wig, make sure you do your research. Don't spend your money on nothing that you're not 110% sure about, because these companies do not be wanting to refund you, and you're gonna be stuck with a wig you don't want until you throw it away or give it away. So, but I think that's all I had to say. I honestly filmed this video already, but I had on the wig and the lace was not looking right. Like, it wasn't looking right at all. So I just decided to just redo the wig, not redo the wig, redo the whole video. And I'm glad I redid it, because I honestly forgot to mention some stuff and I mentioned it today. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure you leave some feedback. If you bought the wig, do you like the wig that you bought? Do you like the company? Would you recommend it? Like, leave some comments. Okay, so my camera turned off, which told me I needed to shut up. So just make sure you leave feedback, and make sure you go watch the rest of my videos. Make sure you watch yeah, I need to go. Make sure you watch my install video, and I'll see y'all in my next video. So thank you for watching.